happy birthday. I hope you enjoy all the rest of the day. Sana nag-enjoy ka and may God bless you as you going to face another chapter of your life.
Can't make me feel this way, my girl, my girl. Talking about my girl. I've got so much honey.
Happy birthday, Mami. Love you. Sana lagi kang malakas para sa amin. Maraming
Everybody,
salamat pala.
let's give it up for our dazzling lady of the night. Palakpakan for our birthday celebrant, Mommy Carmen!
Yes, you say what can make me feel this way.
Ito, kahit na paano, umabot ako ng 70. Hindi ko inaasahan na ganito ang gagawin nila. Kaya, masaya. Masaya ako.
She may be the face I can't forget, the treasure
Si Mami, pinalaki kami na siya lang kasi 2 years old pa lang ako, malilit pa kami. Namatay na yung tatay namin. Pero kahit ganon, tinaguyod niya kami. Kaya sobrang saya ko na si Mami yung naging magulang ko. Kahit sobrang hirap ng buhay namin noon. Talagang nandiyan siya, sinusuporta niya kami.
within the measure of a day. She may be the beauty of the beast, maybe the fame in all the feast.
Sana bigyan ka pa ng mahabang buhay at kalakasan ng Panginoon. Bigyan ka pa ng lakas ni Lord tsaka mahabang buhay para makasama mo pa ng matagal ang iyong mga pamilya.
Reflected in a stream, she may not be what she may seem inside the shell.
Thank you for loving me as your daughter. Ayun, parang anak niyo na po ako talaga.
Happy birthday po, Mami. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng ginagawa mo para sa amin. I love you po.
Happy birthday, Mami. Kahit lagi tayong magkaaway. Pero alam mo naman yon, mahal na mahal kita.
Happy birthday, Mami. Masaya kami na nagkaroon tayo ng pagkakataon maging ganito kahit sa edad mo na yan. Happy birthday, Mami. I love you.
She who always seems so happy in a crowd, whose eyes can be so private and so proud. No one's allowed to see them when they cry. She may be the love that cannot hope to last, may come to me from shadows in the past that I remember till the day I die. She may be the reason I survive.
Happy birthday, Mi. Wish ko sana good health and thank you kasi kahit pasaway ako. I love you.
Many years, me, I'll take a letter.
Mahal na mahal namin si Mami Carmen.
Sobra. Walang matutumbasan na kahit sino. Kumbaga,
Wala na kami
una,
mapagpapalit na ibang magulang.
si Mami lang talaga.
Mami lang
Kahit sa
talaga.
susunod na buhay, magkaroon ako magulang ulit, siya pa rin.
Siya pa rin ang gusto namin.
She